is the ones that are telling us there's a problem with the vehicle.
No, well, I need to tell you these because I need to know too. I need to read them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The average fuel economy.
Go ahead.
The average fuel economy is 10.3 liters per 100 kilometers. I'm still going southeast, and it's 25 degrees Celsius. The instant economy is 15 liters per 100 kilometers, and it's in 8-cylinder mode. And my average speed is 56.1 kilometers per hour, and it's still going southeast at 25 degrees Celsius. And my odometer, holy moly, is 343,245, and I'm still going southeast at 25 degrees Celsius. Oh, my trip A.
And sir, do you have any aftermarket data collection devices plugged into your vehicle to track your driving for insurance or anything like that?
Well, I have a dash cam plugged in. I'm making this video for
Okay,
YouTube,
nothing to track the
actually.
vehicle driving.
What?
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Nothing
yeah,
plugged in to
yes,
track
I
the
do. Yes,
vehicle.
I do. Whoa. Yes, I do. I have an LG. It's not plugged in.
Okay, sir. So if there's anything tracking the vehicle, then it will need to have that unplugged in order to run the diagnostic probe successfully. Are you able to do so?
It's not plugged in, I said.
Okay, thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right, sir. I'm going to go ahead and send this
me on
signal
the
to the
inside.
vehicle.
Jesus. Fuck.
I'm sorry, sir. I couldn't hear that.
Well, I have to get in the right lane because I got distracted by this asshole that fucking passed me on the inside. Do you want to report that?
Okay, sir.
Can you report that? Can I push the red button?
I can transfer you to the emergency team, sir, if you don't mind holding. I'll have someone right away. Please hold. Your advisor is working to help you and will be back in just a moment. Thanks for holding. I'm sorry, emergency. This is Bree. What's the nature of your emergency?
Well, I was talking here to your associate when I got startled by somebody passing me on the inside where it is clearly marked, keep right except to pass. He disobeyed the signage and I didn't crash and I stayed at 110 kilometers per hour and I have a dash cam and I recorded everything. So I didn't speed up or slow down or chase him or nothing. I'm still driving perfectly normal.
Okay, perfect. Okay, yes, sir. I have you located on Highway 101, right before exit 2A and upper section of Nova Scotia. And do you still see the vehicle or no?
Yeah, I do. He's right in front of me, directly. The same way.
Okay. So, what's the vehicle description?
It's from here. It looks dark, and I can see a license plate and a roof rack and two side mirrors and two red lights. And let me get in the right lane.
It's okay if you can't really make out what it is.
Well, my dash cam is recording and I can give you a video. Can you want me to email it to you?
Oh, so it doesn't work like that. I'm not able to get won't be able to get it.
Oh, yes, you will. No, yes, you will because I put it on YouTube. You just have to wait.
Understood. Okay. And what's the tax number?
I don't know, my dash cam got it. It's a pretty good resolution, so we'll wait on that too.
Okay. All right. Well, no worries. I'll definitely go ahead and make that report for you. Vehicle driving erratically.
Yeah. Well, no. Whoa. No. Slow down. He wasn't driving erratically. He passed me on the inside, which is right. I was on the left, and I was doing 110 kilometers an hour exactly, and he passed me on the inside, startling me.